Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. If you are new here, welcome. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Janisha, but you can call me Nisha like everyone else does. Now this is my second video today, so if you see me in my thumbnail with the same old thing on, don't say nothing, storm me out. I wanted to go ahead and get this video out the way. Now this is a Sephora haul, you guys. Now Sephora had their I don't know what sale it is, where they have like the Insider, VIB, and Rouge sale. So you get 10, 15, and 20% off depending on your tier. And your tier is depending on how much money you spent in a year. Now y'all, I think I am VIB, so I got 15 instead of 20, because I had stopped going to Sephora for a minute, because the same thing that I was getting at Sephora I couldn't do it at Nordstrom, because Nordstrom usually price matches and usually their stuff will go on sale. I don't know about Sephora, I just stopped going there, but I did go ahead and go because I had a gift card for my birthday, so I went and spent a little coin. It comes in your Sephora bag, you guys, and some of these items I will leave a link down below if you want to try them out. And also I will leave like the little specs of the item if I don't say it as much on the screen somewhere. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first item I wanted to try out is the Fenty Skin. Now I've been seeing this when it first came out a lot. It was a lot of hype about hype around it, but it kind of like died down. But I still wanted to try this because it's Rihanna, and you know, I just wanted to try it. Give your coin back to the community. So anyway, I got the Fenty Skin starter set, and it comes with the total cleanser, which is a remove it all cleanser. It comes with the fat water, which is the pore refining toner serum, and then a hydrovisor, which is a moisturizer SPF 30 sunscreen. So if you didn't know, they do have these items individually. You can get them individually if you just need to restock or something. I don't know the price, but of course I'll leave it on the screen. But the price of this one was originally, I think, $40, and you get all three, which I think is good, especially if you want to start out just like me. So I'll definitely be doing like a skincare to see how this plays out. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. This was my gift card for my sister, so shout out to you, big sis. The next item I went and got was the Bum Bum Jet Set, the Bum Bum Summer Jet Set, and it comes with these 3 products. You guys know about the Bum Bum cream, right? I think they have like 2 more different colors, maybe 3. It just comes like this. It's by Soul. It smells good. If you haven't smelled it, you're missing out, girl. Every hot girl needs this. Comes with a little 3-piece set, and it is carry-on ready. So if you need to put that in your carry-on when you're traveling, go ahead and do that, girl. So the first item, it comes with the Brazilian Crush Spray Perfume. It's a hair and body fragrance mist, and it looks like this. It smells really good. So if your hair, if you go to the hookah lounge, if you smoke a little weed, whatever you do, go ahead and spray that, because we do not want that odor in our hair. And even if you just want to refresh your braids, whatever, okay. Is the bum cream. This smells like, I really don't know how to explain it perfectly, but it smells like if pineapple, banana, and maybe coconut had a baby. That's what it will smell like. It smells like the perfect scent for summer. Comes with this shower gel, moisturizing shower gel. Ooh, y'all, I want to try this. But it has this little thing on it. But anyway, it comes in this little shower gel, which is so cute and just ready to go. This one, I think the original price is $22, no, $25, and I think like all of this, it was saying suggested retail is like 30 something, so you get all this for $25, which is really good. Next item I got, the next few items I got are actually perfumes. I want to do like I want to get more into like expensive grown-up perfumes, just because, you know, I'm getting older and I just want to smell like you know, money. But you do not have to spend a lot of money on perfumes, you guys. I'm just telling you, okay? Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, JCPenney. I'm just saying, these places always have like deals. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I went ahead and grabbed the Jo Malone and the scent Poppy and Barley cologne. You guys know I already have this one. Not this one, but I have it in my purse. You guys know I have bought these two together as a set, but this one in particular is the English pear and freesia. It looks like that. And y'all, I have spent so much time in Sephora with this I think her name was Michelle. She's like a perfume specialist, you know how they be. And when we compared so many perfumes that I already have and some of the perfumes that I was getting, they smell so bomb. So I'm really happy that she was like patient with me and so nice. So these two scents together smell amazing. This is the Poppy and Barley cologne, like I was telling you guys, and then this is the English pear. Together they're so, of course there's a huge difference, but this one I got the 15% off, and then I already had this one. So I just love Jo Malone. I'm kind of like getting into more Jo Malone. I think it was like a pink peony I want to get my hands on. This is a little strong, so I would definitely suggest not spraying a lot, but me, I can't. Don't quote me on that, because me, I'm an oversprayer. So I got that. And then the next item I was being supposed to get a long time ago, but I did not get it. I don't know why it took me so long to get it, but this is the Chance by Chanel, and then this is the, I think it's Thunder. I don't know how you pronounce it. This is the 1.7 Eau de Perfume, and this one smells fire. Okay, this is one of my favorites. This one and the green one, I know they have so many, but I definitely had to get this one. This was at the top of my list, y'all. I recently smelled this at Nordstrom and I had to go grab it at Sephora. This is the Tom Ford Soleil Niche Eau de Perfume, and this one is in the 10 ounce. Y'all know that Tom Ford be expensive, y'all. It comes in this cute sleek bottle, and it has the Tom Ford logo here, and you just, it's like a magnet closure. It smells, the first time I smelled it, it was like over, because this smells so much better than, oh, the one I actually have in my purse. Oh, it's actually this in the spray, I think. This the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, but I don't know if it's a different perfume, but I took it on my Mexico trip and it smelled good. But now when I smell it, it kind of like gives me something I don't want to smell for a long time. So this, but I know this is a keeper. I know this. Now this one retails for $65, I know, for this little thing, but it's worth it. And I did get the 15% off, so I'm definitely worth it, because honey, they're gonna be like, you know how you do that double take, like, did that just happen, or am I smelling something? Yes, it's that good. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting more into like expensive perfumes, luxury perfumes. So if you guys want to see like a perfume haul or a perfume starter kit, I guess, definitely leave them comments down below, you guys. I would definitely love to do that. They can range from Zara perfumes. I have Michael Kors, of course, Victoria's Secret ones, which are like really bomb, like really sexy. It for this Sephora haul, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. And if you did go to Sephora and get some items, let me know what you got. Let me know. We family over here now. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and make sure you follow me over there on Instagram. I'm more social and active over there. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.